a delivery driver. They are a magnet to this camera. Hi everyone, it's Sam from the Body Centre. It is absolutely freezing here today. I think it's about -4, so we're going to keep this one sweet. This week we have something extremely special on site, and I'm almost certain it's something that you have never seen before. Whoa, don't show them the car yet, show them the process first. Perfect. So guys, obviously we're now well into this video. I just wanted to talk a little bit more about the process of this job. Now, our customer, I think it's around about a 6-hour round trip just to get this vehicle to us for us to do this project. Now, as you've seen on probably many of our other videos, this is, I've lost count on how many sort of door conversions that we've done. We work with 2 brands now of the door conversions. We work with LSD and we work with vertical doors. This one is a vertical doors. It is our first one of doing 4 vertical doors. But it's a very, very similar process to the LSD. Now, as you will see through this video, it is very technical. It isn't just bolt on some hinges and the doors go up. There's a lot involved. We've got cutting of the doors, we've got cutting of the inner wings. The water bottle, the washer jet bottle, sorry, that had to be physically cut in half and shortened, plastic welded back up for these hinges to fit and for the doors to do the movement that we need them to do. Now obviously, as you can imagine, with these doors usually opening like a normal car, the wiring looms are the length they need to be for that sequence. With our doors now going out and up, there's a lot more wire that we need to obviously do the stretch. Now, again, that is quite a procedure in itself. There's many wires. I think there's probably over 20 wires in the door loom for all the different functions on the door. So each individual one has to be cut in half, extended, soldered back up, then obviously protect all the wire again, so it has that movement to make the full lift of the door. I don't actually think there's any paintwork in this procedure. On some of the other vehicles where we do the cutting of the door, etc., we actually take the whole lip away, which we're not doing on this one, so it doesn't require painting onto the door. All the little minor cuts that are needed throughout this procedure, we put obviously some primer, some anti-corrosive products on there to not cause any issues for any corrosion later on down the line, and then obviously supply the colour on the inner edge, which is, none of it is seen, so that doesn't need any sort of professional paintwork and masking to go obviously all the way through the booths, etc. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying the video so far, guys, and we'll see you at the end.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shitty, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Don't shade, that's a no, no, no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
So guys, we have now come to the end of the video. Now correct me if I'm wrong, I have never seen one, but I think this could be the first Kia Stinger with Lamborghini doors. Come in, let me show you what we've done. So obviously, as you can imagine, Kia Stingers have the normal doors like a normal car. But this one has had the vertical door conversion kit. Look at this. You didn't expect that, did you? No, we haven't done the backs, it's just the fronts. Look at that. I don't know what to say. Pulling up to the shop in this and getting out and putting the doors up like that. Incredible. Incredible. I really like it. It's unique. It's exactly what the customer wanted. And I am 100% certain he's going to be over the moon. Come in, Jake. Let's show you the hinges and how they work. If you come round here, I'll... So what we do is, it's obviously still the original doors, it's still the original wing. We've got a big bracket, obviously gone on, fitted on the inside here. It's got a big gas strut running down the inside edge here, which obviously lifts the door up. Now we did have to change these struts to a higher pressure strut because they weren't holding the door up. So they're now got, like I said, more pressure in there to keep these doors up. Thank you, Vertical Doors, for sending them out very quickly from America. Underneath this wing, you may have seen in the video, I don't know if Jake's shown it, but the washer bottle is too big to allow the new hinges to fit on. So we had to take the washer bottle off, cut it in half, and then plastic weld it all back up and seal that so it doesn't leak. And no, it's not like a sieve. Nelly done a great job of sealing that back up, and it's worked perfectly. But what an outcome, guys. Really, really good. We usually do the LSD door conversion. It's actually our first time of doing the vertical doors, and I'm really impressed. Nice and solid, don't wobble about. Got a nice gap to get in there as well. Doors stay up, which is brilliant. I love it. Always up to something unique here at the Body Centre. Thank you for watching the video, guys. We will see you next time.